sometimes you may find that you need grouping levels versus the granularity of just the field values. So let me show you what that looks like. So right now, if I were to build a column and built this on the highest level of education, just build this out real quick. And let's see, let's just move it to the axis. There we go. Okay, so this just has each education and the count. But maybe I want to group it where I put some high school, some college, or high school and some high school together, some college, associate's degree, technical together, and then bachelor or higher together. I do that by creating a group level. So I'm going to right click the highest level field, and then I'll choose new group. Okay, I'm just going to call this ed group. And then I'm going to put high school and some high school together, holding my control key there and grouping it. Okay, so I'm using my control key there. Group those. I'm going to put some college and vocational school in groups together. I'll have associate's degree in a group. And then I'll put bachelor and master's together. And again, I'm just using my control key to do that. And then I'll click OK. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and remove that from the axis and put my new education group. It just reduces down the number of values, so it's easy to create a group that way. Also, if you need to edit that group, you can just right click and edit the group there.